welcome to my channel. Today I'm taking on my Brave look. It has been super requested, I guess, because I already have red hair, but this look wouldn't have been complete if I didn't have the help of this amazing company called Feshfen hair. Now, I've done a review on my channel before, but this indeed is a wig. Now, I do have naturally red hair already, but it isn't quite as fiery orange as hers, so I just needed something that was going to just complete this look. I mean, I have the contacts, I have everything else, but it's just, if I had my hair, I don't have extensions for this color. Every other extensions I have are like a red wine, and those extensions are extremely hard to dye, so I just didn't want that hassle. So I ended up getting this wig right here, and like I said, it's from the company called Feshfen, and this wig is called the 2017 new number 50. Well, it's not 2017 anymore, but I guess it was new when it was 2017. And it's the copper red radish long curly wavy synthetic lace front wig in sunset hair color orange, which has the density of 180%. Has a density of 180%. Now, I really enjoy this wig. The length is perfect for the character that I'm doing today. I mean, would be perfect for Disney, I'm not even kidding, or just if you wanted to dress up like her to an event. But you can, this is a heat-friendly wig. I think the synthetic shine is pretty minimal, and I could pull this off. You know, I just really wanted this for Brave, and I just felt like it was perfect. On the website, it is listed as $79, which is pretty good. They're on sale right now. They're 43% off, and if you use my discount code Nicole, then you get an extra 10% off, which is great. But these wigs typically run from $140, so right now they're all on sale for like $80 and below, which is really, really good right now, especially if you want a realistic looking wig like this. And it came in this really cute box like all their wigs do, and in the box it came with not only the wig, but they gave me a lavender scent and a choker, which is really nice, a comb for your wig, and also a wig cap, which I'm using right now, so I'm not going to show you. But yeah, that's all for the Feshfen wig. I love it very much. Like I said, you could style it in a lot of different ways to manipulate the look for Brave especially, but you guys can check them out. I'll leave the link below. I just wanted you guys to know that before I started the video, because this is the main star for the video. But anyways, let's get started into the Brave tutorial. So the first look I'm doing is going to be extremely natural from the movie, and as you can tell, I have already a few natural freckles, but I'm going to put foundation on, even though I do want freckles for this look, just because I want a flawless base. Like I said, I never want my makeup to not look flawless whenever I'm doing a Disney character, because they're pretty perfect. She's very, very natural, but I do want to make sure my base is perfect because she's much younger and I am just tired and all the time, so I have to hide these imperfections. Now, I'm also going to take my Fit Me concealer just so I can hide those as well. I was filming this at 6 a.m. because I do have classes at 8 in the morning. So every time I do videos, I look even worse than I should, just because I go to bed probably at 11:30. I know it's toxic, but when you have a busy life, that's what happens. So now I'm just taking my Airspun powder so I can make it look matte. And with my beauty blender, I blend out the makeup a lot better so it doesn't look like I have a cakey face. It did look really flawless and very natural. So that's exactly what I was going for. Now I'm just going to take this Anastasia brow gel. It's in blonde, and I'm going to put it over my red eyebrows just so they don't look as red, because her eyebrows don't look that harsh. Then I'm taking this pink blush right here, placing it on my nose.
And on my cheeks, I'm putting it on my nose for that flush blushing look that she has, which is something that you naturally have, especially when you have a fresh young face. So that's why I'm doing that and placing it on my chin. I actually really love the way this looks. I might use this every day just because I look so fresh and alive. I don't know, but anyways, after I am done doing that, I'm placing a lot because her cheeks are really red. She's so cute. Do you guys agree? See, as you can tell, as I zoom in my face, you can see where my natural freckles are, but they're covered in foundation, so they're not showing as well. So I'm going to place a lot all over my nose, and also on my natural birthmark that I have right there. I really want to cover that just because it's big, but I can't, so I'm just gonna leave it there. But I'm going to place the freckles all over my cheeks as well. The freckles just pull this look together. It's so adorable. And I do have a couple of freckles. I am Irish. Yeah, anyways, I'm using my Modern Renaissance palette, and with the color Tempera, I am placing that all over my lid. This is gonna be super easy. You guys don't need that much skill at all, or you don't need skill at all. So I'm just placing that all over my lids. Then I'm taking golden ochre and kind of doing the same thing, just placing it on my lids, but I don't have too much on the brush, just a little bit to add a little bit of color because she does have color on her lids. Then once I'm done doing that, I'm going to take golden ochre again on a small eyeliner brush and just line my upper line, my eyeliner line, because that's what she has in the movie. It's just, I think it's just gonna be, that's a natural definition in her eyes, because I don't even think she's supposed to be wearing makeup, but that's pretty much what I'm doing. I am lining my eyes and placing golden ochre on my lower lash line to add shadowing. She has shadow under there, and it's just gonna make your eyes look more rounded and cartoon-like, like hers. The contacts also pull this look together, and these are from my Pretty Fabulous in Miami Blue. Then I'm taking Exposed by Tarte, and I'm just placing it on my lips just to give myself a soft peach natural lip color. I love this lipstick because it's super natural looking. And there you have it. That's look number one. Very, very natural and straight from the movie. As you can see here, comparison, she's cuter though. So now she is probably going to a party now. So as you can see here, I'm just acting out like, hey, if I ever could go to a party, or if I feel like playing with makeup. Let's see. So the next look I'm doing is a natural glam look. And I am taking, what shade was that again? I went so fast. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I think that was Raw Sienna. It's just a brown eyeshadow. I'm just going off of this cover art, like this art that somebody made up of her, and which all the Disney princesses at the parks, if you guys have ever gone to the parks, they all do this look, like the eyeliner and just natural eyeshadow. So this is more of a glam look if you want to wear it as a costume, because the other look is very natural. I wouldn't say boring, but it's not as fun as this, and you'll definitely get more noticed like this. But I wanted to keep my true meaning of what these tutorials are, which is every day, and you could definitely wear this every day if you love more glamorous looks. But this is super natural. I wore it to college after this, and I didn't get double looks. Like, what the heck, you know, why is she wearing so much makeup? And even if I did, I would be like, who cares, mind your own business. But anyways, yeah, I'm just taking Stila's liquid eyeliner and creating a small line over that other natural brown line that I created. And this is just to emulate the fan art or the picture and all the Disney makeup artists, whatever they do at the parks. I'm not even sure if they do their own makeup. I think they do. But I met one of the girls who was doing the Brave Merida look, and she had her makeup like this, but she was so pretty, and I loved her makeup, and I've been wanting to do this ever since. After Disneyland, it really inspired me to start up this series, so I'm really thankful for that. And this is very easy. The only thing is I was struggling because my eyeliner was running out, so I'm going to go to Ulta and buy some more liquid eyeliner because I was running out. Then I'm taking a really dark brown eyeshadow and putting it towards the end of my eye to make it more natural. Then I'm taking these Kiss Look So Natural lashes, and curling my eyelashes. Then I'll pop those on after I add a little bit of brown eyeliner on my lower waterline. This is just to glam up the look a little bit more and add definition to the eyes. Then I'll put some mascara on while the glue gets tacky. And the eyelashes are really going to make the look, guys. You could just put mascara on, but I'm telling you, the lashes, the natural lashes just make the look glamorous and just above and beyond. I love these eyelashes because they're super natural. And if you're not comfortable with lashes, I would go with these. So I just pop these on, and as you can see, they're gonna make my eyes look very girly and actually kind of flirty. I don't know why, they just look a little flirty. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to take my lip liner, which is Tawny by Jordana, my favorite lip liner. And I don't know why my camera didn't focus on it, but it's Tawny. I love this. I actually wore this to Disney and it lasted all day, and it's like $1. I think it was 90 cents. Then I'm taking Brave by MAC, because why wouldn't I? It's called Brave. It goes with the look. Then I'm taking a little bit of lip gloss, and there you have it. I did 2 Brave Merida looks for you guys. I hope you enjoy it. Comment down below which princess you'd like to see next. Bye.